Hello everyone, greetings. Now, I'm Ferd, and I'm the founder of the Voodoo. The idea: develop an online personality that will devise people or market to a specific action. Now this is a revolutionary or innovative for traditional advertising products. Now this personality will be able to create bridge or connection to the application which will be used in their particular situation. Now imagine, it happened that your boss scolded you and your friends said wrong things about you. Because of that, it will motivate you to do harmful actions. Slap someone's face, punch him, and even not motivated to work. Now who to call in this situation? Introducing Lady Vera, the online personality, a socialite, modern, and digital witch that will enable you to do harmless and crimeless fun. Now user experience. The online personality will be responsible for the target market through your friend and target markets, through online, web, and social networks. People will be able to get enchanted cards or spells to be used in the mobile application. Introducing the mobile and web application Voodoo. Basically, you will capture an image of someone and attach it to the Voodoo doll's head. You can attach the enchanted card spells to the doll and it will create reactions regarding the attached spell and can even have distortions on it. Wait, there's more. You think it's only for black curse? You're wrong. It will also be a way for encouragement or for good, like love spells and pretty curse.
So now the question is, where is the money in here? So it can either come from advertisement, partnerships, or merchandise. Imagine if people would actually try to cast a spell on you in their desperate need to relieve their stress and to have fun. So the game, play the game in order to get the enchantment cards from our partners. How do you do that? You visit the partner's webpage. In return, Lady Vera now will give you an enchantment card to use. So isn't it a new and effective way in interactive advertising for our partners, for Jollibee, for McDonald's? Is it, a real person is behind it and not just an automated one who does post to every profile pages. And how about marketing? So our level 1 would be coming from the apps. And for level 2, we will be building a mobile version of it. For the third step, we will be now venturing into partnerships with several establishments, several brands who want to promote their products. For the level 4, we will now venture inside seasonal marketing for Valentine's. Why don't you give your partner or your ex a Voodoo doll for Valentine's? So imagine that. And also for the fourth one, for the merchandise. If we build this persona, how about you wearing a couple shirt with a Voodoo doll and each one of you and your partner is, has a spell on them. So exactly. So now we would like to conclude the application for Voodoo app. This is a new way of our advertising, a modern way of advertising, and thank you.
Hey, Weech, hold up. Do you know Maroon 5?
Maroon what?
Maroon 5, the one who sang "This Love Has Taken Its Toll." Do you know them? I don't want to keep on singing.
Why do you ask?
Yes. Actually, I missed their concert recently, and they're my favorite band, so it really, really sucks. Is there a way to make it easier? Is there a way that I can just stop jumping from one website to another to just get the details of a single event?
You mean a cool new event discovery app? Right?
Exactly. One website that centralizes all the events here in the country. So what do we have? It could possibly have an intelligent algorithm being used by Netflix, similar to that, to recommend a more accurate event that we are interested about. And the other one would be getting social data to get relevance of the events that we might attend to.
Yeah, no worries. Let me introduce to you Ventee. So, let me explain.
Ventee, okay.
Okay. Let's take your social profile, Riella.
Okay. Go hack my account. Alright.
So, we leverage on Facebook for a reason. When you log in into Facebook, Ventee mines all your social data, and we use that for our recommendation engine. Just think about Amazon and Netflix for events. Okay, so for example, you see here all your interests based on your social aggregate
Yep,
data.
I can see the accuracy right here.
Okay, so well, pop music. Let's use that.
Make it interesting.
Okay, so let's use that. So here's the listing of all the pop music related events on the local. You can see what's hot, what's on nearby, and what's upcoming. Basically, let's choose Justin Bieber live. Okay.
Yeah, my boyfriend right now. So let's go there.
Okay.
See, I can see the accuracy right here.
So-
it's very accurate.
So here you can see it's a strong promotions platform for event organizers. Why will they want us? We will give them the tools to promote their event. We'll give them their own events profile page wherein websites can redirect to, and Ventee is tightly knitted into social media applications so that events will become paid and viral.
I see. So what about the one that you mentioned, the 3 Vs?
Yeah, it's basically vain. Promoters want to be vain, want to boast about their events. Volume, we'll explain it later on our revenue model. And virality, since we enable social sharing.
So you're saying that event organizers can create their own web page based on what the event is, exactly, right?
Yeah.
All right. So the idea of Ventee would be. All right. Okay. So actually, for this one, we have the plan to execute our game plan to give the Ventee to people because we noticed that we have a lot of likes already in Facebook. We actually posted the idea and they love Ventee.
Wait, Rela, I'll explain. Okay,
Oh, okay.
we have a lot of
This one is,
competitors,
yes, go
right?
on.
But when we examine the user experience itself, next slide, we have discover, purchase, attend, and all these competitors on the ticketing front. The only competitor is Plancast, and Plancast's model is based on our friends' interests.
Yes, that's right.
Now, what is wrong about that? My interest in Facebook is not necessarily the interests of my friends. Basically, there's our Discord. So Ventee is an added layer over that, and we use your own interests, behaviors, likes, shares, etc. to feed on our recommendations engine.
Alright, so how do we get money? I'm gonna make this quick. We get money and a lot of it by introducing the new method, the group selling of tickets, which is very hip for Filipinos. And the other one would be sharing for purchasing of tickets. Thank you very much. This is Ventee.
I'm the founder of MyShoephoria and I am a shoe lover. Shoephoria is a feeling of well-being induced by shoes. MyShoephoria is the first and only web and mobile shoe organizer to connect shoe lovers globally. We launched the web-based organization and social component of the site in May of this year. And as I stand here, we have organically grown to 15,000 site members, 3,000 plus Facebook fans, 900 plus Twitter followers, and an average daily page views of 3,000. We also have local and international merchants promoting their collection through the site. Through our social and organization platform, we're already able to profile our users, thus gaining valuable demographics for potential advertisers. Our next step, the reason why we're here, is we want to launch the mobile apps to attract more users. By the way, the Android and iOS prototypes were completed by the team here in StartUp Weekend. So yes to that. You can try it later. I only have 4 minutes here. We're also developing the Shoephoric shops to provide merchants with the following: a complete storefront solution, social, mobile, and email marketing tools, and augmented reality shoe fitting apps. We wanted to complete it, but we were only given 54 hours. But the store creation, which is web-based, was also completed today. To gain more traction, we'll continue to launch cross-platform, brand-sponsored promos and games like this free shoe lotto, web and mobile apps, which we will launch in November, with a sponsored prize of $18,000 worth of shoes from Christian Louboutin. So do join. Free vlogging. Our revenue streams will come from targeted ads to profiled users, game and promo sponsorships like this one, and shop subscriptions on both the web and mobile platform. If you think that this venture does not have serious business potential, please take note of the following facts. Every year, U.S. consumers spend $20 billion in footwear. Online footwear is a $3 billion business, which is approximately 15% penetration, leaving an 85% market yet to be tapped. In Europe, Spartu.com sold more than 1 million pairs of shoes early this year. I know that we have found a more than feasible way to make business out of our love for shoes. And that's what MyShoephoria is all about. Passionate thinking, creative solutions, committed action. So, are you going to be shoephoric like us?